Life hack, yerba mate tea. Except I don't have a strainer, so what we're gonna try to do is let it soak in here for as long as it needs, and then I'm gonna strain it through this thing into a cup. It's gonna be hilarious. For those times where you don't want to use like coffee or drink coffee, or if you don't have even a buck to go buy coffee, just use what you got, guys, and enjoy it all. I'll show you in a bit how this straining goes. We'll see what happens. This is the large stem yerba mate tea. So you can I don't know, you can see how it kind of separates itself. I just stirred it, but the big stuff kind of goes to the edges. I might actually just scoop it out, but you want to steep it for 5 to 6 minutes. And typically you don't want to use boiling water, but I used boiling water. You want it 170 degrees, it said on the package. But what are you gonna do? So I'm actually gonna do it like this. And I don't mind a little bit of that. This is my ideal hometown. Oops. Arizpe, Mexico. It's where I'm gonna retire someday. It's the happiest place on earth for me. Speaking of Latin American culture. Anyway, yeah. And I forgot to mention, for every cup you want to use about a tablespoon of tea. For every cup you want. And you want to just dodge it. Treat it like a game. See, we're going to have to wait again. This is getting to its last leg. Anyway, there's always a way to do something. You guys don't need so much excess. This is the punk ethos again. You don't need to have all that bullshit you have. Just use what you got. And sometimes it's way fucking easier, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna go play video games.